Today's video is sponsored by Milanote, a fantastic tool for keeping all your ideas and projects organized. I'm currently using Milanote to plan my cardboard gun project. Milanote allows you to collect notes, images, videos, tasks, and more, all in one place. One feature that I love about Milanote is the web clipper. It lets you save anything from the web with just one click. Starting a new project is easy, with over 100 built-in templates available for every type of creative project. When you're ready to share your work, you can invite your colleagues and clients to gather important feedback and collaborate with them in real time. Milanote is available for free with no time limit. Sign up using the link in the description and start your next creative project. If you enjoy using Milanote, let me know down below in the comments.